it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today I will be showing you guys where to find your notice of assessment. So first things first, sign in to your CRA individual account, and then once you're in here, click tax returns on the left, and then you will see it says notice of assessment or reassessment. Once you click this link, it will take you to your actual notice of assessment, and then you can print or save that as a PDF file. So I hope that was clear. If you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. Thank you. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.